Hi everyone! So today I wanted to do a quick tutorial about using Lively. Lively is an app that can take live photos and turn them into GIFs, videos, or just export specific frames from a live video, like if you're doing a burst and you just wanted to choose one. Because I know, at least for me, not having one of the latest iPhones, you still have the option to do live photos and turn them into loops or bounce them or long exposure, but you can't really use them as videos when you post them. So I'm just going to show you how this app can transform your live photos and make them into videos. So if you go ahead and go to the App Store, you're going to download an app that's called Lively. And it's the same as well for Android if you go to the Play Store, etc. And it's going to look like this. It's got the green backdrop and then kind of like a white piece of paper floating up. And once you download that, you'll open it up. It'll most likely ask just permission to use your photos. And the great thing is it already separates it from regular photos to live photos. So you can just scroll through and see all the live photos that you have and choose the one that you want to make into a video. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one, and it'll download from the iCloud if you have it stored there. And if you use the free version, it is going to have the watermark. If you want to remove it, it's $2.99, and it works to remove the watermark from all photos. So if you do have a lot you want to do, I definitely recommend just removing the watermark there. And then you're going to have the option to make it a GIF, you can make it a movie, and you can make it a frame. It's going to be the same effect for all three. Except for the frame, like I said earlier, you can actually scroll through and choose exactly what frame you want to export, and you can make that into a photo as well. So I'm going to go ahead and make a movie, and that's what it'll look like. They're about 2 to 3 seconds long, but you can change the duration at least of GIFs. So if you want to make your GIF longer, like the time 2 to 3 seconds of a movie, you can do that as well. But going back to making the movie, so once you click on movie, you're just going to export it, and it'll give you lots of options for where you want it to go. If you do have platforms connected to your phone like Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Messenger, it'll go ahead and connect you to there. I'm just going to go ahead and save it to my photos, and it'll automatically go into the photos on your phone. So if you go back to recents, it'll pop up right there as a movie. And from here you can post it on social media as a movie, add it to any of the projects that you're working on, but it'll come out as a 2 to 3 second movie. And that's the tutorial I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, always feel free to comment on this video on YouTube or on any of our social media platforms. Stay safe and have a great day.